Hi! Right, well, as many of you probably don't know, or do know, David Gabell has been very kind, and some of the boards he's designed, he's given me what they call dip files. Now you can go into dip trace and you can move things around. So I thought, right, okay, I'll have a go at this. So he's got this board which is a PWM, and it basically has got a meter in the middle of it, and it's got the buttons up and down and fire and on and off and all that type of jazz. And I thought I'd have a go at taking the meter out and shrinking the board, and I've done it. And I got a parcel from OSH Park, which probably most of you don't know, but they produce these things. So I got this little baby through the post this morning. And basically it's my shortened version. And you're probably thinking, what on earth is that? Well, it's a PWM board, but not as we know it, Jim. Right, okay. Now, this is it in all its glory, all done up. We've got the on-off switch, we've got down, up, and fire. Now, what's also I've added onto this, right, you can see there's a hole there and a hole there, and so you can put a remote fire, but you still have the up and down buttons. So you could mount this and have the fire somewhere else, and your voltmeter wherever you like, even if you might not even want one. But no, tiny small board. So yes, really nice, and thank you very much, David Gabell, for letting me play around with your files. But I'm pleased with that little board. So yeah, up and down digitally. What else could you want?